In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit money into your Robinhood account from your PC. If you're new to Robinhood or just want to make sure you're doing this process correctly, stick with me as I walk you through each step, explain what to expect, and share some helpful tips along the way. To get started, you'll first need to open your web browser and head over to robinhood.com. Once you're on the website, log into your account using your usual credentials. Make sure you're logging in on a secure device to keep your account safe. You'll notice in the upper right corner of the page, there's an icon labeled Account. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From here, select Transfers and then choose Deposit. This is where you'll begin the process of adding funds to your Robinhood account. Now that you're on the deposit screen, you'll need to enter the amount of money you want to deposit. Carefully type in your desired dollar amount, keeping in mind any trading plans or purchase goals you may have. Next, you'll see a field to select which linked bank account you'd like to pull the money from. If you have more than one account connected, make sure to pick the correct one. Double check everything just to be extra certain. This helps prevent any accidental transfers from the wrong account. With your details filled in, click Continue. You'll get a summary page so you can review your information one last time before going forward. When you're ready, just hit Deposit. Depending on your account status, you might see an option that says Start Instant Transfer. If you're eligible for instant deposits, Robinhood will prompt you to log in to your bank through their secure connection. Just follow the on-screen instructions to log in with your bank details. This is a secure process and it allows Robinhood to instantly verify and transfer your funds. Confirm the transfer when prompted and you're all set. Once you've completed the transfer, the money should appear in your Robinhood account within just a few minutes. One of the great features of instant transfers is that your funds will be available for trading almost immediately, so you won't have to wait around for your deposit to clear. Take a look at your available balance on Robinhood to make sure the funds have arrived and you'll be good to go. And that's it. You've successfully deposited money into your Robinhood account from your PC. Now you can start trading or investing right away. Thanks for watching and happy trading.